In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Elementor account. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Elementor and you want to make sure your account is fully closed, follow these clear and straightforward steps to ensure you handle it correctly. First, you need to start by visiting their official website at elementor.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to navigate towards the bottom. There, in the footer section, you'll find a link that says Contact Us. This is your first port of call, so go ahead and click on it. It's located among other useful links and is your gateway to reaching out to Elementor support. Once you click on Contact Us, a new page will load, and you should look for the section that says Account Access and Billing. This is where you will be able to manage various account-related inquiries. Under this section, you'll see an option to Submit a Ticket. Click on that, and it will take you to a form where you can put in your request. In this form, you'll need to fill out your details. For the subject line, it's important to be clear and precise. Simply put in, Delete my account. This will alert the billing team at Elementor to the nature of your request straight away. Make sure to include any relevant details in the message section of the form. This might include your registered email address or any specific issues you're experiencing. Clear communication here will help expedite the process, so be as straightforward as possible in your explanation. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, go ahead and submit the form. This will send your request off to Elementor's team. Their billing department is responsible for handling such requests, so your message will be in the right hands. You can expect an email from Elementor's billing team. This is a standard procedure, as they need to confirm your identity and ensure that you truly wish to delete your account. Make sure to check your email inbox and possibly your spam folder for their response. Once you receive their email, reply promptly to confirm your intentions and follow any additional instructions they may provide. After you've replied to their email confirming your request, Elementor's team will take it from there. They will process the deletion of your account, and you'll receive a final confirmation once this has been completed. It's a simple process, but requires these steps to ensure everything is handled efficiently and securely. So, there you have it. Following these steps will help you successfully delete your Elementor account. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.